Now, switching gears a little, in terms of the review process, when the paper comes to your desk, what are the three main characteristics that you'd see before you send it out for review to the AE and the reviewers?
Well, three main issues, three main topics. I would look if the models, the algorithms are really innovative and solid in terms of data science methodology. I would look whether they support a real managerial or industrial, decision-making process, whether they are relevant, whether they can make an impact. And I will look whether they come with, real-world data or simulated data that represent a real-world data problem that is relevant to the use case that we are discussing.
Perfect. So that's perfect. Also, along the lines of the review process, one of the unique things about the IJDS review process is that there's no explicit decision provided by the reviewers and the AE to the SC. It's obviously they're providing all the review comments and feedbacks, but there's no actual decision recommendations being provided. So the onus is on SC as a SC for you to make that decision. So how do you plan to make that decision? How different do you think that will affect the authors as well as the reviewers who are reviewing for this journal?
So first, just let me emphasize that, reviewers are always welcome to make, any recommendation, including recommendation about accepting or rejecting the paper. And even if they do not do it explicitly, it's very relatively easy in some case to see what they are aiming to. But having said that, you are right that IJDS, the focus on this decision is made by this small group of senior editors, and it comes with some gains and some losses. I think that the gain is that it's more consistent, and since we are talking with each other, it's more of a solid decision making. At the same time, it's less diversified, but there are many journals out there that can answer this angle. So I think that eventually, as a journal that wants to have a specific focus, this type of decision making will make a benefit impact on the way that the journal is advancing.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you. I think that helps both for the reviewers as well as authors trying to send the papers to IJDS.